Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Pomona, CA, Los Angeles. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, pet-friendly and a Wi-Fi. This motel in Pomona, California features an outdoor pool with a sundeck, laundry facilities and free parking. Fairplex convention facilities and Pomona Antique Row are 10 minutes from the motel. Rooms at the Motel 6 Los Angeles-Pomona offer a work desk and a private bathroom. Each is equipped with cable TV and free local calls. All rooms offer Wi-Fi. Pomona Motel 6 has a 24-hour front desk and is pet-friendly. California State Polytechnic University is a 15-minute drive from this Motel 6 Pomona. Frank G. Bonelli Regional Park is also within a 15-minute drive of the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.